Approved Networks, a brand of Legrand, offers passive fiber taps that make diagnostics and maintenance of your optical network easy and cost-effective. Taps are simply inserted between network devices, allowing traffic to be split into duplicate signals without any disruption to network activity. This provides visibility for the most accurate real-time and proactive monitoring and analysis. Installation is made easy with color-coded mode identification, easy-to-ID split ratios, and a no-tool locking system, built into a simple modular design that fits into our high-density 1U fiber tap panel and requires no power to operate. Compatible with all major manufacturers' monitoring and security devices, Approved Networks taps offer multiple split ratios, data rates, modes, and connector types, providing complete versatility to meet all your configuration needs. For more information on our complete line of passive fiber tap solutions, call your Approved Networks fiber optic connectivity specialist today at 800-590-9535. Approved Networks, for the smart data center.